Hello, peoples. How you doing out there today? This is Dr. Destiny. I'm sitting here and I just had this thought pass over my mind. I said, you know what? Don't let that thought pass away. Put some action to it. Put some positivity behind it. Encourage some people. The thought was that we should be always rebuilding our lives, reconstructing. There's a lot of times, we get to a place in our life where it's like that we begin to find some cracks, some holes, broken pieces, torn away parts and things, and we just try to patch it up, not to deal with it, just patch it up. It's going to be okay. It's going away. You know what? I will improve that next year, or you know what? I'll get to it whenever I get to it, But those things, those cracks, those holes, those torn away pieces and places in your life is just signs telling you that you need to step back and reevaluate your life, your dreams, your goals, your aspirations, and all the things that you're doing in life, because some things may have fallen in the cracks. Why? Because a lot of times we find ourselves multitasking. We got to be in this, that, this, that, whatever. We always here, there, everywhere. And sometimes we have to get into a place where we can focus on one particular thing at a time, so we can build that thing to the strongest and most effective force, so that thing can stand firm and solid. I don't care whatever storm comes, whatever situation that is bad may happen in your life. It may rock you, shake you, it may swirl you around and about a little bit, but I'm going to tell you, it's not going to tear your house down. It's not going to tear your building construction down, because you have planted it solid and you have made sure a scaffold was around the building until it was surely erected on its own. Okay, so let me stop here, because I'm going to take you and show you what reconstructing and building your life should sound like. There should be some things going on. There should be some motions happening. There should be some actions in place. There should be sounds of building, sounds of something is being reconstructed. That's what I'm saying. See, we can't live in a silent place all the time and lay back and be cool. I lay back and say, okay, I'll rest today. I'll rest till next week. I see it. I see some things that I'm not able to deal with. I see some things that is confusing me. I see some things that are hurting and harming my life, but I can deal with it later. Let me show you what we should be doing. Getting up and putting the work in, people. Getting up and working through the process to improve our lives and ourselves. Now, if you get too quiet and get too silent, and then that means you got too comfortable with how you're living your life. Let me take you to where sounds should be going on in your life. It should be sounding like this. And where every time you see a crack, a cranny, anything, a hole, a broken piece, torn parts, you got to immediately stop, reevaluate. Determine if this worth fixing. Of course it is, because it's your life. You want your life at the very best valuable, because people are always looking at you. Hold on, let me get over here and show you what reconstructing should sound like, okay? Do not go nowhere. Okay, now I'm back, okay? Now, you may not hear me, but this is reconstructing. This is putting in the work to build that foundation. So let me tell you, listen. The sound of recreating, redeveloping, putting down the solid foundation, so your building, your temple, your body, your works, your plans, your dreams, your goals, whatever it is, it's not going to rock away with you. It's not going to roll off on the place and just fall to the ground. It's real work. So listen. Now, the last sounds that you heard was reconstructing. It was machines. They were building. They were grinding. They were digging. They were putting in some hard, solid work because they were building, but they are building a sure foundation because a huge complex community is going to be built on that property and that land where they were building on. So they got to make sure that ground is solid and sure to hold up a big complex. Now, I'm back to the beginning. This is the first sound. It's too quiet. No construction, no work is going on. People are still out here doing what they want to do. Some people are missing things in their lives. They are not checking to see if there's things that need mending or a piece in your life that need to be brought together or healed or whatever it may be. It's just out here comfortable. Look, comfortable, and life just goes on until it gets to the place where sometimes it's beyond repair. Your life is beyond anything. You cannot fix it. Your doctors can't help you. Your family can't help you. Your friends can't help you. You even can't help yourself. So get on board and let's start reconstructing our lives. Let's start to evaluating to find the holes, the cracks, the broken pieces, the torn down pieces, and let's sometimes we just sit back. Yes, the silence is okay because we're evaluating everything. And after we take out that paper and that pad, that pencil, and we're journaling and we're writing down all those things. I can improve in this, I can improve in that, I can make this better, I can make that better. Oh, I can go to a class, I can go to some studies, I can go to some workshops, I can learn, I can go to training, I can do whatever I can because I see something in my life that needs to be repaired, made better, made stronger. I need more wisdom, I need more knowledge, I need more understanding so I can develop my life so I can be able to grow and to become my best and better version. So it's okay to be quiet. And when you get all the analyzing done and you see that, oh, there's too much in my life that's going on, that's not being fixed, that's falling apart, that has not been worked on, too many dreams that's passed by, that I missed out, opportunities I failed to take advantage of, then I need to start the work. I need to go back to the second sounds that we heard, reconstructing your life. I will talk to you in the next video, my beautiful people. Namaste.